Hi there. So we are looking at unit conversions here. When we talk about trying to measure things, there's two different systems that we can use. The metric system and the imperial system. Now, the nice thing about Canada is that we use the metric system, and it's based on powers of 10. So we go up, numbers multiply by 10, they get their new and different prefix or symbol, and it helps us to determine how large or how small certain things will be based on those prefixes. Now, nice thing also about the metric system is they have what is called a base unit. And in this case, length, we have meters, weight or mass, we have grams, capacity, volume, we have as liters. So how do we determine how to use this? So the base unit always starts at 1. If we have something like 1,000 meters, we could write it as 1,000 meters. Or we can look at our chart and find out where 1,000 is. And we can see that the prefix is kilo. So 1,000 meters is the same as saying 1 kilometer. So we could write that 1,000 is actually equal to just 1. We use the symbol with the base unit, and that's how we get to write 1 kilometer. So how about we go small? We've got a gram, we want 1/10 of a gram. So we look at our base, we go down to where it says 10th. We look at the prefix, it's called, so 1/10 is equal to deci. So 1/10 of a gram is equal to a decigram. So to write a 1/10, we could write that as 0.1 of a gram or 1 dg. So also within the metric imperial, we have imperial system, and this is used down in America and a couple other countries, and they use a few different symbols. You've maybe seen these more so for measuring things, say in building and construction. They use inches, feet, yards, miles, pounds, ounces. And there isn't a base in this system, so it does get a little more complicated, and you have to sort of remember some of the conversions. So in that regard, you may have a question that asks you to figure out, what 12 inches is. 12 inches is going to be equal to 1 foot. You're going to have 3 feet is equal to 1 yard. And 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile. So it gets a little more complicated. These aren't necessarily things that you have to completely remember, but it's a system that is generally used in construction trades. So if that's something that you look at getting into, that will be it. Thank you.